Track 64.
Well, for this task, I'd like to talk about Bill Gates. He's the brilliant computer programmer who created Microsoft and the Windows operating system. I first saw Bill Gates on television in 2001. He was talking about Windows XP, which came out that year. I remember thinking that he is the richest man in the world, but if you look at him, you'd never know that. He just looks like a typical computer programmer. I like Bill Gates because he's responsible for bringing computers to millions of family homes around the world with his Windows operating system. This made computers easier to use for everyone, and also at a price that many families could afford. I also like him because he was the world's youngest self-made billionaire at the time. If he could do it, I like to think I could do it too. Finally, I admire him because he's very generous and uses his money to help people. He has given away a huge amount of his money to charity, and I believe he plans to give most of it away in the end. I think this is an excellent idea, and I hope this can show other rich and powerful people that they should also help others.
Track 65.
Well, the famous person I'm going to describe is David Beckham. He was a footballer who played for Manchester United, and he also played for England. I first saw him play for United when I was only 7, so that was probably in about 2002. I remember it as one of the most exciting days in my life. David Beckham became famous because he was a very talented footballer. His speciality was scoring amazing goals from free kicks. But he wasn't well known only for his football skills. He became even more famous when he married a pop star, Victoria, one of the Spice Girls. And another reason for his fame was his good looks and his style. I think almost every boy in the world wanted to have a David Beckham haircut. I know I did. I adored him as a boy because I was mad about football and he was my hero. The reason why I still like him is that, in spite of his fame, he behaves like a normal guy. I heard a story from someone whose car was broken down in the middle of the countryside. And then a car stopped and a man got out and asked him if he needed a push. It was David Beckham.